Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived two siblings named Luka and Lara. Luka, the older brother, was known for his adventurous spirit and keen sense of curiosity, while Lara, his younger sister, possessed a gentle heart and a love for nature's wonders. Their village, although peaceful, was not without its mysteries. Deep within the forest that bordered their home, rumors whispered of a legendary creature known as the loin rabbit. Some claimed it was a majestic beast with the body of a rabbit and the mane of a lion, while others dismissed it as mere folklore. One sunny morning, as Luka and Lara played by the stream that flowed near their house, they heard an elderly villager speak of the loin rabbit once more. Legends say that the loin rabbit guards a treasure hidden deep within the heart of the forest, the old man said, his eyes twinkling with excitement. But none who have ventured to find it have ever returned. Luka's adventurous spirit was immediately ignited. "Let's go find the loin rabbit and the treasure it guards, Lara," he exclaimed, his eyes shining with determination. Lara hesitated, her gentle nature urging caution. "But what if the stories are true, Luka? What if it's dangerous?" Luka flashed a reassuring smile. "That's what makes it an adventure, Lara. We'll stick together, and nothing will stop us." With that, the siblings made a pact to embark on a quest to find the elusive loin rabbit and uncover the treasure hidden within the depths of the forest. Armed with nothing but their courage and a sense of determination, Luka and Lara ventured into the forest, the dense canopy casting dappled shadows upon their path. As they journeyed deeper into the woods, they encountered all manner of creatures, from playful squirrels to graceful deer, but there was no sign of the fabled loin rabbit. Days turned into nights, and still, the siblings pressed on, their spirits undaunted by the challenges that lay ahead. Along the way, they encountered obstacles that tested their resolve, from treacherous ravines to thorny thickets. But with each trial they faced, Luka and Lara grew stronger, their bond as siblings deepening with every step they took. As they ventured deeper into the heart of the forest, they stumbled upon a clearing bathed in golden sunlight. In the center stood a magnificent tree, its branches reaching towards the sky like outstretched arms. At the base of the tree lay a pile of shimmering jewels, their colors sparkling like stars in the night sky. "It's the treasure," exclaimed Luka, his eyes widening in wonder. But before they could approach, a fearsome roar echoed through the clearing, causing the ground to tremble beneath their feet. Emerging from the shadows stepped the legendary loin rabbit, its mane ablaze like fire, its eyes gleaming with a fierce intelligence. Lara gasped, her heart pounding in her chest. "Luka, what do we do?" But Luka stood tall, his gaze steady as he faced the majestic creature before them. "We don't mean you any harm, great loin rabbit," he said, his voice filled with respect. "We only seek to uncover the treasure that lies within this forest." The loin rabbit regarded them with a mix of curiosity and amusement, its gaze softening as it looked upon the two siblings before it. "You are brave indeed, young ones, to venture into these woods in search of treasure," it said, its voice deep and resonant like the rumble of distant thunder. "But the true treasure lies not in riches, but in the bonds of friendship and the courage to follow your hearts." With a graceful nod, the loin rabbit stepped aside, allowing Luka and Lara to approach the treasure at the base of the tree. As they reached out to touch the shimmering jewels, a warm light enveloped them, filling their hearts with a sense of peace and contentment. And in that moment, as they stood together beneath the watchful gaze of the loin rabbit, Luka and Lara realized that the greatest adventure of all was the journey they had shared, and the bond of love and friendship that would forever guide their way. As they made their way back home, their pockets full of memories and their hearts full of joy, Luka and Lara knew that no matter where their adventures took them, they would always have each other, and that was the greatest treasure of all.